Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for fresh gym outfit ideas, positive motivation, and fun fitness content on TikTok, you're going to love today's spotlight. Meet one of TikTok's fastest rising stars, Tylee. With millions of followers and hundreds of millions of likes, she's creating content that combines stylish activewear, energetic workouts, and uplifting vibes that many young people enjoy. She shares everything from clean matching sets and bold prints to comfortable hoodies and shorts, showing creative ways to style your gym clothes while staying active. She's not just sharing workouts, she's bringing fun, relatable energy that makes fitness feel more enjoyable and approachable. If you're a young viewer seeking inspiration, style tips, and positive content, stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why Emma_BB0 is gaining so much attention right now. Let's get into it. Right away, what stands out is Tylee's creative approach to activewear. She mixes different pieces in fresh ways, simple black sets, eye-catching animal prints, or relaxed, oversized layers with shorts. She demonstrates how to put together affordable, practical outfits that work well for training sessions. Beyond the clothes, her videos have a bright, upbeat feel. You'll see quick outfit transitions, light movement to trending sounds, and moments where she celebrates finishing a session. She keeps things short, fun, and easy to watch, turning everyday gym routines into something more motivating. She's helping a lot of younger viewers see that staying active can be stylish and enjoyable at the same time. Her content focuses on building good habits, feeling more confident through movement, and keeping a positive mindset. Many people in the comments mention how her videos encourage them to show up for their own workouts or try new styles they felt good in. That's the real impact. She keeps the tone light, encouraging, and real without being overly serious. Whether you're new to fitness or already consistent, her videos offer a mix of practical ideas and good energy in every short clip. She shows that you can stay active, express your personal style, and enjoy the journey. Her overall approach is all about balance, moving your body regularly, choosing clothes that make you feel comfortable and ready, and spreading upbeat energy online. So overall, Emma_BB0 stands out as a positive creator in the fitness and lifestyle space. She's bringing fresh energy that connects with many young people who want to stay motivated and active. She shows that fitness content can be fashionable, fun, and uplifting. She reminds viewers that showing up for yourself, building healthy habits, and staying positive are powerful ways to grow. If you're searching for daily motivation, practical style inspiration for the gym, and feel-good content, Emma_BB0 is a great creator to follow. She represents how talented young voices are using social media to encourage others while sharing their own journey. Here's what to do next. Head over to TikTok and follow Emma_BB0 so you can catch her latest videos and stay motivated. If her style and energy resonated with you, drop a fire emoji in the comments and let me know what's your favorite way to style your gym clothes. All black, prints, or something else? If you enjoyed this kind of spotlight on rising creators, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future episodes. Thank you so much for watching. You're doing great. Go bring that positive energy to your own day, just like Tylee. I'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and keep shining. Take care.